Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad ke Sangma, ula Pynbna balamang pisa arpun riu klur tengka na kebentaban pyndep ya ke jingtei ke badangsa jong ke Iawmusiang market kompleks hajawai. Ya kene ula Pynbna hakasngi khaddu jong ke syat be dingklam hapung ajnar hakasngi balang. Menteri Rangba ula ai kuble ya ke jing senyang jong ke senyrai jawai, halor ke jing ai jaka jongki na kebentaban tei ki parking lot hajawai town. Ha ke jingkren usang ma ulaong halor ke jingtei ya ke Iawmusiang market kompleks don bun ki jerwit jerwan Henry ke sorkar karai kot banweng ya ke jing ulaong ru baka projek jong ke Iawmusiang market kompleks kalamat shibun ki jing Henry ke sngokumen ban pyndep bangi la shem ya karai kum ke sorkar ban pediang ya ke jing barok. Menteri Rangba ula pyndep baya ke pisa tingka kaba arpun riu klur on beda ke sorkar jela. Kade ke projek ke bakongsan bahana ke bentaki pajba jong ke jawai bat ke rilum jingtei hills. Bat ke ni ke projek kaya jan bah bat nga namar balas dang dau kepa jonga ubala klat no bat kumtang ila kular ban pyndep ya kala ong usang ma ubedai ukun balai jong ulet purno sang ma. Ula ong ru balak mi lenti ban penlait ya ke tenda hakini ki artayo lai tayo ban wan. Bat ukermen baka work order on Aisha contractor ubadai hok ban yo hakini ki hinru posngi.
Yes, I have just announced, as you're aware, that the Iawmusiang market complex issue was a very complicated issue. We faced many hurdles from the past many years. The sanctions were made by central government, but because of certain changes and sometimes the contractor also not being able to complete the work, somewhere fund issue being happening, this project saw multiple challenges. But I'm happy to inform that we have decided as a government to absorb all of those challenges and once and for all sanction an amount of 26 crores to complete this project. This will be funded completely by the state. This is a very important project for the people of Jawai and Jingtei Hills in general, and a project that's very close to my heart also because it was initiated by my late father, and hence we are committed to complete it, and that is why we have gone for a new sanction of 26 crores which has been sanctioned just last week. We expect that the tendering process should take place in about 2 to 3 weeks time, and we are hopeful that the work order should be given to the respective contractor within the next 60 days, and very soon the work for this new contract should start, and I hope that this project also will be complete very soon.